So you have hiccups.
He has hiccups.
Those really bugged mommy before. Now they just bug you, poor girl.